Welcome to our tutorial on how to unarchive a chat on Telegram on your PC. Let's walk through the steps to easily bring back an archived chat. To begin, open Telegram on your PC. Once you're in the Telegram application, look for the option labeled Archived Chats, and click on it to access your archived conversations. Within the Archived Chat section, locate the specific chat that you wish to unarchive. You can scroll through the list or use the search function to find the chat you want to restore. Once you've found the chat, right-click on it to reveal a drop-down menu of options. From the menu, select the Unarchive option to move the chat back to your main chat list. By choosing to unarchive a chat, you can easily retrieve important conversations that you had previously archived, ensuring that you have quick access to them whenever needed. Unarchiving chats can help you stay organized and ensure that you don't miss out on any important messages or information stored within archived conversations. By following these simple steps, you can effectively unarchive chats on Telegram on your PC, maintaining a streamlined and accessible chat experience. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in learning how to unarchive chats on Telegram on PC. Stay tuned for more informative tutorials and tips.